Well, let's take a look at one trending ticker today, TSMC. Taiwan Semiconductor is what we're looking at, up about 1.3%. The company bullish all the way. The chipmaker forecasting revenue growth that could be the highest in 10 quarters, with demand fueled by the chip shortage, high-tech vehicles, and pandemic-induced electronics buying. Although, Brian, this is an interesting one because that hasn't, not all the chip makers have been quite bullish in their outlook.
No, not at all.
TSMC, obviously the biggest one.
Right. So, that could be significant, right? Obviously, every chip maker is a little bit different in terms of the types of industries that they lean more heavily on than others. But, in this demand, right, we know that there is enough savings, at least in the United States, for cars, right? You take a look at the numbers. Yes, we saw some deceleration in, cars which rely a lot on chips, but it's not necessarily the case that, despite the retail issues with big TVs being stuck in the warehouses, that people don't have the demand for these types of electronics. So you look at the story from TSMC, will that change in a few quarters? I don't know, but at least for right now, they seem to have some green shoots, at least, that they see in the outlook.
Yeah, certainly worth highlighting, obviously, all the chip makers, not the same either.